All right. So now listen to me. You are going to grab the marker, and then you write the spelling. So here's the example: chef and waitress. Okay. Next, Dika, what are you going to do?
I want to grab
Marker. Okay. And then you write on the whiteboard. Right. Okay. Ready? So are you ready now? Yes. Good. Listen to my question. If you know, you mention, and then you run and grab the marker and then you write. Ready? Okay. Who drives a fire engine? Go, run, come on, run, go. Hurry. Go on. Who is faster? Yeah, finish. Very good. Let me check. Sorry.
Wait.
No change. Okay, no problem. Okay, Nora, must be put here. 8, okay? Here, that's great, good. Nora got score here 90 and Dika 100. Now, come back. Yeah, hurry. Here you go. Next, are you ready?
Ready.
The next one. Sorry. Who drives the bus?
The bus.
Hurry, go on. Mention.
Bus driver.
Go! Hurry. Go on, go. Yeah, you're right, under. Okay. Hurry.
Finish.
Yeah, great. Yeah, okay. Let me give you score 100. 100. Great. Now come back to your place. Yeah. Both of you got 100. Yeah, next. You're right. The last one. Are you ready? Yeah, the last one, yang terakhir. Oh yeah. Okay, now listen to me carefully. Oh yeah. Okay, makasih. So listen to me. It's very hard, I think. Okay, this is a building. If you want to go with your family to watch a movie.
Cinema.
Go, hurry, come on. It's going to be the first.
Cinema.
Yeah, great. Yeah, no problem, Nora. You were late, but you still got score from me. Nora, you got score 60, no problem, and Dika got score 100. Now let's sum up. What is the score, Dika? Can you please count your scores?
1, 2,
Okay, how many?
400.
400. Good. And Nora, please count. This one.
No.
Okay. Okay. 200. And
50.
very good. 250. All right, no problem. Give me high five. Good. The winner goes to Dika. But that's nice because Nora participated well. Nice, thank you. Okay, next let's move to the next lesson. This is about food.